Well, I see everybody's still alive. That is a good thing. Aren't you, huh? The pig is out. I am really surprised that the pig is out. Let me see if I can see her. Oh, there she is. Remy Doodles. And over there is Gobble Gobble. I know. Let me through, everybody. If you want to be fed, you gotta let me through. There's our quackers. And there's the dingbats, including Sugar Baby. Look at him. King of the mountain there. King of the haystack, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, there they are. Everybody's alive and well, huh? You like this cold weather? Huh? I don't. Not at all. Everybody's standing in the sun, huh? Aren't ya? Yes, I see you. Yes. I can tell you're starving to death. You're so skinny. Okay, well, Mama's here to feed ya. Such a good mommy.